This issue of Okwuluora and COS, I thought the issue has ended long time ago. Now the victims have reported this matter to Very Dark Man. I want you guys to watch this video and hear what Dark Man have to say concerning this whole issue. And then I'm going to make my own point at the end of the video. Thank you.
Alright, you see this guy on my screen, that they call him Okwuluora, very respected in the eastern part of social media, you know, respected Igbo guy, all the eastern brothers, they respect him because of what they do. But like saying I'm go send him go prison. Now what does he do? And let me explain why. Because anyway, me carry petition enter now, while lie, it's a thin line between him and prison, and I kid you not. Now what does this guy do? Now, if you check in page, you understand, you go see things like this, where we say, in they help people. If person get kidney problem, heart problem, all those kind of things, in go beg people like a GoFundMe, they go help you. Now, see one of his posts. Chigozie is only 17. His kidney failed last October. They are out of cash at home. Well, please, nothing is too small. Now, people will contribute money, they will send it to him, he will take care of the person, he will give the person. Now, if you send the money, he go contact you, say me, you send that receipt. While you are sending your receipts to him, he go to save your number. You understand? So he now finally saved their number, he now created a group. As he created the group, he now told them that he was coming to the UK. Okwuluora is coming to the UK. So see the time he created the group. He created this group on the 26th of March, 2023. As you can see, thank you for adding me, Okwuluora. You understand? Miriam, welcome. My name is Okechukwu. People just introduce themselves. You know, I live in Glasgow, Scotland, blah, blah, blah. Talk. And I told them he was coming to the UK. Do you understand? They were excited. These people went out of their way. They printed polo. The day he came, see a video, see videos. The day he came, they went to the airport. All of them, they danced. They happy. Oh, this guy who is the voice of the voiceless is in the UK. These people gathered money. They even print flyer. See flyer. They gather their money. As they gather their money now, they can't give them money. Like they put money for envelopes. Some people see now, see the list of people that contribute. This one £50, £100, £150. They gather them, they reach like 3,000 something pounds. They book hotel for them. They carry food, go give them, make sure it was okay. Now this guy now left the UK. You understand? When he leave the UK now, inside in group, do you understand? Inside that group where we say in gets, somebody can comment. Somebody can post something. The name of the woman is Florence. She can say, good morning everyone. If you are a student and need sponsorship, chat me up for details. Do you understand? Based on COS, certificate of sponsor, where you go change your status, where you go help you get permanent stay for there. You know those their settings where you say, okay, you want settle down there. So they can't talk. She can't give them their price. You know, normally do COS 5,000, 10,000 and the rest. So a lot of people now said, okay, they were going to do it. They can't start to send money. This is one picture where the woman even went to go and collect cash. See the woman. Now, on this day, she collected £26,000 from the person that took her this picture. You understand? Just for that COS matter. Now, she collected this money and other people transferred money to this woman. Do you understand? In this Okwuluora's group, the guy no talk anything. He did not say jack. Now, we call this time, bring COS. Madam give the first person fake COS. As they detect, other people can start to complain. Where our COS? Where our COS? Where our COS? You know what I'm saying? The woman can't come out from the group. Now, anybody will come ask, say, Okwuluora, where our money now your group? He go delete the message. As you can see, he go delete the message. Next thing you know, this guy start to remove people from the group. Look at, as you can see, Okwuluora remove Chomi Sparkling. Okwuluora remove My Despise. Okwuluora remove Adora, Linda, Patrick, Doctor. He just remove all the people where they complain about their money. Do you understand? Remove them by now in already in Nigeria. When the dragging done too much, people don't they complain, people don't they cry. You say you be voice of the voiceless. But after the way where we treat you when you come to UK, you can't join hand with this woman, make scammers. This guy now can't invite the woman for a Facebook Live. Do you understand? Now, see the Facebook Live.
Do you Mona go Kugoku before Saturday? Yeah, man.
No.
Mona go Funu go before.
Now, in this Facebook Live, when they use Igbo, they tell the woman, say, me and you know ourselves before, me and you know ourselves. You know, instead of him to be telling the woman that, madam, give them their money, you just tell the woman, say, I beg you, I don't know you, you don't know me. This person where they talk, say, I don't know you, you don't know me. See him and the woman here. See the picture of him and the woman together that time when he come UK. Do you understand? Picture day of two of them together. Now, what is funny is The woman now, she dey stay for UK, but the people who contribute money to the woman, they no dare go meet the woman because it is not legal for UK make you dey sell COS, and they no fit go carry police, because if they carry police, all of them go enter wahala. Do you understand? So all of them, they see who collect their money, but they no fit talk. Then they talk to the Okwuluora, say that you will respect, help us, in they remove them. At the end of the day, Okwuluora delete the WhatsApp group. How much was contributed? £192,000. How much be £192,000 now like this? That 2023 now. That £292,000 now around that kind 19181716. More just put down for 15. Do you understand? So £100,000 will be 150 million naira. They not talk about the 92 where they did. That's almost 300-400 million naira. Do you understand where this guy collects? And this guy pets for Nigeria. And this Nigeria went there now. All the people contribute the money for and for UK. Do you understand? They no fit come here. Because them say their leg no strong for there. So the guy just there here. And himself no go there. Then them too, they no fit go arrest the woman. Because them, but Mona, no worry. You understand? It's not on my table. You understand? See receipts. See different receipts where they send to that woman. You understand? See different receipts of people where they do transfer. Because they say for UK, you know, if you just outrightly just transfer 5,000 naira at a stress. So some people, they contribute 1,000 today, they'll pay out 1,000 tomorrow. Different people send money to these people. But these people, they use Okwuluora, they know one. So Okwuluora, you in Nigeria, your own day very easy. Very, very easy to pick you, no hard. I'll carry my evidence, I'll carry my petition, I'll go and submit it. Madam, you in the UK, now your own even sweet me pass. You understand? Now your own sweet me pass. From here, they'll carry you, they'll go send the message, they'll go bring you come. You understand? No be small money be that. That's not big money. No una pay that money. 24 hours now give una. If I no see anything, I package the petition and I take it there. By that time, you no go fit do anything again. So Okwuluora in the east, my Igbo brothers, Mona call and one and else, you go be saying a very dark man. I said I go. And now let me tell you people in Nigeria, people don't understand something. This place where they carry me go detain me. Now we are taking no say the cyber crime law for Nigeria strong. You understand? If you read things on cybercrime on this country, you don't feel we insult person. Not to talk of maybe you collect person money, you know return am, or you scam person online. I dey tell you the truth. So Okwuluora, na me know what I dey tell you. Na me know say wallahi you go say you go prison. So I'll just tell you don't play so that you know go learn. 24 hours and I'm giving you. Next thing where you go see me and petition when I go submit. By that time, you know go fit do anything again. Thank you very much. Don't play.
Now, concerning the deletion of the group by Okwuluora, this is what Okwuluora says. Okwuluora have made a post on his Facebook, and he gives reasons why he deleted the WhatsApp group. Wait, let me read out what he posted. Due to people abusing people and threatening each other, to prevent another from happening, I removed everyone and closed the group. Another was created the next minute for victims. If I did not close it then, another could have happened. The people in UK collected up to £9,000 to £10,000 from each applicant in Nigeria and paid Flo around £6,000. No one told me or seek my consent. If the business was successful, no one could tell me. It is fine. They will all come out now and explain to the police. Now, Okwuluora closing the group and creating a new one is not a smart move at all. First of all, that group where the transaction started should have been retained, because that group contains a lot of information, and this information could have vindicated Okwuluora very, very easily. Now, him creating a new group now, deleting the old one, you have deleted all the evidences. The business, how it started, how they all started messaging Madam Flo, what transpired between them and Madam Flo have been deleted in the old group. This is why I said Okwuluora made a very big mistake. This matter supposed to have left social media for a very long time. By now, this issue supposed to be caught, or even in the hands of our law enforcement agency. I don't know why we are still taking this matter, the social media stuff. This is almost 500 million naira that we are discussing here. This is not a chicken change. This is a money that if it is spent in a state, you will know that such money was spent. This kind of money, if you use it to carry out a project in your village or in your state, people will know. And this is what we are talking on social media all this while. Now, I'm not trying to say that Okwuluora is guilty or that he's part of this fraud. I'm also not going to swear that Okwuluora is innocent also, because we are humans. I cannot swear for any human. But the truth is this. Now, Okwuluora created a group. Whether he is the one that created the group or it is the people in UK that created the group on his behalf. Because according to Okwuluora, he said that they created this group on his behalf because he's coming to UK. So they want to have a form of gathering where they can be able to make a plans on how to welcome Okwuluora in UK. This is what Okwuluora said. Now, Okwuluora is part of the admin of the group. In this group, someone, a member of the group, dropped a message that if you are interested in COS, you should DM her. And remember, all these people that are involved in this fraud, all the victims of this fraud now, they all messaged this Madam Flo in her private DM, not in the group. So it is possible that Okwuluora was not aware that such business was going on. But now this is where Okwuluora got it wrong. Now these people have done this business, backfire to them. They are now complaining in the group. Though they did not do the business in that group, yes. But now they are now complaining. Why are you now deleting their messages? Why are you now deleting them? To even make the matter worse, you even went ahead and deleted the group. Where is now the evidence? What impression are you trying to create, Okwuluora? For you to have deleted that group, to be honest with you, if I'm involved in this, if I'm a victim of this fraud, I will suspect that you are involved. I will suspect that you are involved. So I don't even know what impression you are trying to create when you deleted the group. We all are in different groups. Let's not lie to ourselves. When a member of group are beginning to misbehave or violate rules and regulations of a group, what the admin will do is to lock the group. Make it private. Only admin can be able to message. But now, what you do is now to delete people's message, delete people that are commenting, people that you know that they are bitter, they are not happy, that their money is swimming under the ocean. What do you expect them to do? You expect them to be clapping? These people are not in a good mood. So when you say that they are now beginning to violate the rules of the group, what you should have done is to lock the group. Now, you deleted the group. This is the group that was supposed to stand as an evidence. So, Okwuluora, my brother, you made a very big mistake. But then, lastly, petitioning Okwuluora is not a do or die affair. All he has to do is, if he is invited by this law enforcement agency, is for him to go and prove his innocence. Let's not start making it as if they are trying to kill Okwuluora or anything, because this matter has been a long time. Okay, now, just imagine now that you are among the victims, and then you are complaining in the group. The admin of the group delete you from the group. The next thing, they deleted the group. Tell me what will be going on in your mind. Are you not going to be suspecting the admin? So, Okwuluora, my brother, it is time for you to go and prove your innocence and put a stop to all this, because you are someone I love. You are someone who has been using your platform to help humanity. And this kind of news, you are not supposed to be associated with it. You have made the mistake of deleting the group. I think it is time for you to also go and prove that you are innocent and put a stop to all this. Because first of all, you not even do this business with these people. Secondly, these people chatted Madam Flo privately, not even in the group. The only mistake that you did, Okwuluora, was deleting the group and deleting their message, which was supposed to stand as an evidence. Because by now, what we would have even been saying now is Okwuluora was not involved. That is what we could have been saying. But you have even involved yourself by deleting the group and deleting their comments, deleting their chats.